Hello and welcome. Today I will be unpacking this Hoover Vision Wi-Fi vacuum cleaner, model number vr810f01. The first thing out of the box is the pet tool. A bracket. The wand that is telescopic. The hose, the dusting brush, and the instructions. And last of all, the vacuum cleaner. Assembly is quite easy. The wand just slots on the back. Like so. There's needs to be slid down. The tool goes just underneath there. And that clips on the side, like so. That clip goes there so that you can put the stair tool on the side. This has got the short hose onto it, which you can just unclip with the clips on the side and then put the hose on the back for when you want to do the stairs and stuff like that. Thank you for watching my video. If you have liked my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.